awesome, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Russ here, had him before in this channel. A great artist. This time we have this cool song called Can't Get This Right. Perhaps you recognize that feeling. Yeah, anyway, let's start with this song. No need for any K-pop because we have this only played with bar chords. Alright, so we will start with the chords here, and it's 3 different chords. Let's start with the first one, the G minor. So that is a bar chord here placed on the 3rd fret. That's where you place your bar over all strings, and then the rest will be 5th on A and 5th on D. The next chord will be D minor 7. That's here on the 5th fret. That's where you place your bar. All strings except from the last E here in the bass. So bar 5 strings like this, and then the rest will be 7th on D and 6th on B. And the final chord will be C minor 7. So what you do, you take the same grip and just move it up here and land with your bar on the 3rd fret this time. Everything else is the same, so you bar 5 strings, and then the rest will be 5th on D and 4th on B. Yeah, so the chord progression will be G minor to D minor 7 to C minor 7, back to D minor, and then that's it. You start all over again with G minor. So that is how it goes. The strumming pattern, let's look at that. Grab that G minor first, and then one strumming round will be down, down, clap, down. Okay? So pretty easy. That's how it goes. So down, down, clap, down. That's my suggestion for the song. So down, down, clap, down. Alright, so the final part, just how many times you need to play this for each and every chord. So it goes in the same way through the entire song. If I didn't mention that, you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds for the G minor. Then comes 2 for the D minor 7. Then comes 3 rounds for the C minor 7. Back to D minor 7 for only 1 round. And that's it. And then you start all over again. So a couple of rounds of this goes like this. And that's it, my friends. Russ can't get this right. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.